As with many living things, plants need many elements and things in order to grow, thrive, and reproduce. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the basic requirements needed to ensure plant growth. So what do plants need? Plants need air in order to grow. Green plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen. This is the opposite to what humans breathe in and out. Humans breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Plants need air to respire, just like animals do. As well as air, plants need water in order to survive. Plants will take up the nutrients from the water using their roots, which helps the plant to grow and thrive. It also helps the plant to perform photosynthesis, turning sunlight into energy. A plant that receives too much water, however, can cause the plant's root to rot, which can cause the plant harm directly, potentially causing it to die. Plants also require sunlight in order to survive and grow. Plants will use the sunlight for photosynthesis, which turns sunlight into nutrients for the plant to feed on in order to grow and thrive. Some plants require more sunlight than others, but too much sunlight can actually harm some plants. So, let's recap. What are the key 3 things needed for plant growth? Air, water, and sunlight.